You think NVM is hard? It's actually pretty easy. It's really easy and fun. NVM's more funner than casual. There's like no aimbots, other than robot snipers. So they're technically bots, but they're not. They're not aimbots, but yeah. This is the funnest game ever. Even funner than Fortnite. It is so fun. The fuck? Oh. Arrows.
3, 2, 1.
Last one live, lock the maggots. Can't get them from over here. That one's broken. Nope, nope, that's definitely not broken. The fuck? The fuck? Oh, that's nice meaty hot. Oh, my ass. Ooh, that's meaty hot. Oh, my ass. Oh my god. Oh. Sentry Buster. I like the sound Sentry Busters make when they're watching. Ooh, I'm gonna take that money. Oh, thanks for a ride, partner. Look at my $400 Coke. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Yeah, what? I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Hey, ay, ay. Oh shit. I want to beat him in the face with my baseball bat. Hey, that's a lie. It said I had 1% health, but it was obviously blown up. Give me your money. Yeah, we're losing. We're definitely losing. That's a lot of damage. Oh. Oh. This is a Scout's neck. That was funny. Yeah, it was fun. Did Scout lose his abilities?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yep, I'm pretty sure he... Nope, he didn't. I got over $1,000 right now. I'm gonna spend it on Uber charge. I need a charge. Extract clip size. Okay. Oh, good. Now I have 4. Nice. Ooh. Piss time. I have to piss. Alright. Oh crap, I accidentally pressed the home button. Well, yes, that is a way to die in Team Fortress 2, get crushed by a tank play. 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Major Tom to ground control. Ah, I'm stuck. Why does it? Why does it make? Oh crap! I wasted an Uber. Shit. Giant rapid fire demoman. Oh. But. Ah, fuck my mouse. What? Shit. Why? He just committed suicide. Funny. I thought he fell down that. Yeah, that's a hole right there. The fuck? Where's my credits? Oh, now, well, I can spend more. Oh, useless upgrades. No. Give me your money. Give me your money. Money, please. Money, please. Me money for my wallet, please.
A tank has entered the area.
The tank has entered the arena. I know I'm doing lots of cocky things, like trick killing them. Called trick killing. Hey, I'm killing your stupid medic, bitch. He has tiny head for a giant body. Ooh, I can shoot him at the head and then his head will pop off. But a robot can get to there, and oh yeah, we have to do the tanks. H and kaboom.
Get to an upgrade station.
Dick. I want my money back. Whirr. Yeah.
Go, go, go!
Oh, anything else I can get? Health on kill. No bad. Oof. Cancel. Wait, did I just press cancel? I forgot to press, yes. I'm playing this game with a computer, keyboard, a mouse, and a computer or controller. One of those Logitech, or something like that. Controllers. So if you press and hold mode, you can switch to weapons.
Shut up, mate! Need a dispenser! here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Need a dispenser here. Need a dispenser here. Need a dispenser here.
Just
Need a
pressing
dispenser here.
C and
I am ready.
5